This is my new Boston and Maine EMD GP40, striking color blue, number 313. Just got that, and finally had this for a couple of weeks, but I haven't. I didn't have the caboose to finish it off, but now I do. So that's the GP40, EMD GP40, Boston and Maine Railroad. And we've got two Alberta cars here. Very beautiful blue color. It's the engine again. See what else. We got the next car coming up. Got the next car coming up, another Alberta out of Edmonton. Hopper. Nice one. And then final thing I was waiting for, like I said, was my caboose. It's a Conrail, just came in. So let's bring that guy up here close. That's my Conrail 22138 caboose, and it finishes off the train. My blue train, beautiful blue train. Let's watch it go around a time or two, nice and slow. Very nice. I like that Alberta hoppers, especially the blue satin finish. Beautiful train, just simply gorgeous. Hello everyone from Hawaii. Nice to see you all. So that was my new Boston and Maine EMD GP40, beautiful train. And we got the two Alberta hoppers and the Conrail blue caboose to finish that off. Looks good. We added in some stuff down there. You see like a short roadway there with a bus on it. And that first tall green building there is a doctor's office, right side door. The left side door, you can go inside and you can rent rooms and that kind of thing. Next door to that is a small hotel, again for rooms. Next to that is a small grocery store. The reason so many people come to this town, Fort River Valley, because there's a lot of good skiing here in the wintertime. We're going to add more row houses on this side where people come to stay, and then they take the back trails to get to the ski lifts. Sometimes by horseback. We got the church there that is an HO gauge, so that's got to be replaced with an N gauge church. And then beyond that, down that side, we got the sawmill, N gauge sawmill, which I'm very happy to have in place and using again. And way down in the corner there, on the second circle of the figure 8 down there, is a small body shop. So that area, I think I'm going to be more into an industrial area with more that type industrial businesses down in that area. And I was thinking here I could take the church out, put it someplace else. I'm going to turn that circle there into a baseball field, diamond with bleachers and such. In time, that's my plan now, but I don't know, things change. But in any case, I wanted to give you guys an update, and there it is. I'll be back as soon as I can with more updates, because it's always fun to do this. Y'all take care. Thank you for watching. Aloha from Hawaii.